So good morning guys. Today is going to be my first attempt at vlogging. So I'm on my way to a photo shoot. I've just gotten out of the car park at my house. It was too dark to film in there, so I'm just on my way to pick up my model from Flinders Street, and it is freezing today in Melbourne. 4 degrees. So freaking cold. So today should be good. Hopefully Michael has the heater on ready for us. But yeah, so I'm gonna bring you guys along. My car is fully packed with all of my clothes for today's shoot. Yeah, so we'll see you guys soon when I get there. So we're gonna do a little update, and we're just about to do her hair, but I'll just show you we've got our like clothing station here, and then her little mirror. Hello. So I'm just about to start on hair, and then we'll check back in with you guys once we've done the hair and we start shooting. There we go. Now model, you can hold that for me. Okay. We're going into part 2 of this crazy hairdo. So bear with us. Alright guys, so we've done the hair and makeup, and we've put my model in a little outfit here. She's looking a little cray-cray at the moment, but we're gonna make it work, and we'll see you guys in the studio.
so I forgot to film an outro for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave me a comment and let me know if you'd like to see more content like this. It is a little bit hard at the moment as we've just gone back into lockdown here in Melbourne. So I probably won't get a chance to do anything else with clients until probably like the end of September, early November. But yeah, if it is something you guys are interested in, then please let me know and I'll endeavor to do another one that's a little bit more educational, a bit more of the how-to and like the process and how long things take, how I choose the makeup looks and the styling and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, so this video was actually styled by me. My first time I've ever actually like styled a shoot, so please let me know if you guys liked it. But yeah, I'll leave all of our Instagrams below so you guys can see that too. So yeah, leave me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.